Good morning. We are on day 2 of our expedition, and talk about expedition. I don't know if you can see our schedule here in the background. I think it just shows the morning, but it is 6:15 a.m. and we are off to do our first hike. So it is definitely an early morning. We're going to come back, have some breakfast, then do kayaking, then do some deep water snorkeling, then a second hike. And I think that might be it for the day. If there's more, you'll know. Here we go. We made it, and we are going to go on a little walk led by our naturalist who's on the expedition team.
Ecologically native, they don't move away from us. You know, that you can come and see them so close. They are not domesticated animals, they are wild animals that behave in such an incredible way that they are not afraid of us. In all these years guiding, 30 years guiding in Galapagos, I see that people love the fact of having, later when you go to snorkel, that sea lion that comes and makes bubbles in your face and try to bite your feet and interact with you. That's unique to Galapagos.
Okay, we are getting fitted for all of our gears. We got our fins for snorkeling. We have our wetsuit gear that we got around the marina. And then we got our dry bag. So now I'm going to go get fitted for my mask and snorkel. Okay, we are ready to do our first landing. So we have come and we got to pick up our bag before we head out to the Zodiacs we're going to go to an island and do snorkeling. So here we go. Good morning! We just got to the island of Sombrero Chino and we are about to head out here on the kayaks. And so we're going to do some kayaking today, we're going to get back and then actually go out again for some deep water snorkeling. So after we do that we have lunch and then we're going to do a 2-mile hike on some of the lava flow rocks. So we'll see that, and here we are aboard the beautiful Lindblad National Geographic Islander 2. A gorgeous day and we're ready to hit the kayaks. All right, we are in our kayak, day 2. We're pros, even to the point where Sandy's putting her sunscreen on while we are in our kayak. We are waiting for everyone else in the group to get in theirs. And look at this gorgeous, gorgeous day in the Galapagos. All right, we're ready for our adventure to begin. Sandy, anything to say? Do it. Here we go. We are on our second round of kayaking. Ready for a good day. Good morning. We just got to another beach landing and the sea lions are taking a snooze here. They're just all cuddled up and then some are playing in the water. Just going to do a short hike now. I want to give you a sense of like how close these animals are. You need to stay 6 feet away, however we're on this walking path, so trying to walk by them. But they're just not afraid. And then you come here It is simply amazing.